Car wash day gang. That's what it is. Oh, my is so dirty. Been sitting out here getting all the pollen in the world, man. Look at the dirt on that thing. Mama need a heavy rinse down. Heavy. A few rinse down before I even put some soap on this joint. Look at that, gang. Dirty as well. Super dirty. Super dirty. We get everything set up. I get with y'all in a minute. I do not like that dirt right there. Car wash day gang. That's what it is. Yes, sir. I always start from the top of your car, gang. Cars are washed from the top down. A whole lot of talking to do when you're working, guys. You know what I'm talking about? Ain't a whole lot of talking. Ain't no whole lot of jaw jacking when you actually rest. You know what I mean? To some of y'all, it's a whole lot of jaw jacking, but to me, I don't do all that jaw jacking. I get the rest. And, get straight to it. It's the only way to do it. Goddamn rock chips will kill my paint. That's alright. I ain't did nothing to this car since I did some upgrades under the hood and stuff. I ain't did nothing cosmetically to this car since I bought it. This somebody else swag. Wait till I drop my swag. Wait till I drop my livery on this mother man. You know what I'm saying? Pistol packing, never lacking, all up in these damn streets. Beaming. You see that beam on that thing? You see that beam on that thing? I ain't gonna tell y'all my secret soap. Get your own secret soap, guy. How you do it? What work best for you? My soap hitting hard. You see that blue popping on this thing? See what I'm saying? Make it do what it do, guy. You a vet, you can do what you want to do. I don't need no more instructions. Vetted. Yes, sir. Tie rag, body rag. Come on, yeah. Yes, sir. Get up in there. Finger foot, them junks. Yeah, over easy clean them, y'all. Let me show y'all a little trick on getting that towel good and soapy, man. All them old technical ways of detailing, man. This is how you do this. Don't let nobody tell you nothing different. They just talking. I'm showing you. Look at the leather on there. Look at the leather on there. Can't no shampoo gun do that. Let me flip my script so I can get down there and show you. Ain't no shampoo gun leather like that. Just that leather, baby. Finger foot these rings one more time. Finger foot these rings. Get that good leather on there, man. You ain't got to work with them fingers, man. Get your fingers in there, man. I'm sure y'all boys and girls know how to get your fingers in there, man. Do you not see the beam and the gleam on that thing? Huh? Oh yeah, it's beaming and it's gleaming on this thing, man. Yoda kind. You see that beam and that gleam up on that thing, man. Yes, sir. Play crazy.